I am Lynn Angeles. I have been with IMG since June 14, 2018. You see, 3 years ago, Miss Marivic de los Reyes showed me IMG. I didn't mind. I was very busy as principal of a private school. However, in April 2018, we attended together a seminar in the cooperatives. And there she told me she will lend me a book. I'm a book lover. And when she gave me the book, I saw it, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. But still the time, I did not read it. I gave it to my sister who is with the management school. But she didn't read it as well. But one day, when I had nothing to do but to read, I got this book. And looking at the pages of the book, my God, this blew my mind on 4 things. First, I saw this, 1 million financially educated families by 2020. You see, at 63, I am very healthy. Wala akong rayuma, wala akong maintenance drugs, naka-braces pa. I am really very healthy. So, healthcare isn't for me. Protection, well, I have it with my insurance. Debt management, we are already debt-free. Emergency fund, when I got the lump sum from SSS, I put that as my emergency fund. But I'm interested in investment. I have a little already with Meralco. But since 1998, I have been reading up on mutual fund. But it was sort of sabog. But I wanted one that will be full. And so, I said, this is not for me. But looking at this again, I imagine a lot of people, young professionals, young married couples. You see, like me, at 63, in my senior age, but a lot of people with my age are already sick, begging, asking the support of children, of their children. Or I do not want that to happen to me. And I know a lot of them. So I imagine, if the campaign is for 1 million financially educated families by 2020, if I just get 1,000 of that in 7 years, perhaps I could contribute in the mission. Second, from this same book, the rule of 72. My God, I should have done that. I should have known that earlier. But however, wala pa namang late. I still can't catch up. Another, I love the prosperity formula, the 10-20-70 principle. I am doing that in my life already. But looking at this, back to this one, I love it. With one, what's the product? There's 3 in 1 plus 1. This one already will assist a lot of people to become millionaires in the future. And that's my advocacy. A lot of families, a lot of communities can become millionaires in the next generation. How will that be for you? How will that be for your children's children? If the Filipinos will become millionaires because of IMG, then it will be worth my time to leave a legacy. Thank you.